Welcome to Notation Worksheet number 5, the bass clef. If you recall from lesson 3, we learned that the bass clef represents the lower notes. We also learned that it's also called the F-clef. And this is because these two dots here show you where the note F is, which is on the line in between them. Now we can just use our note circle sequence to find out what the rest of the notes are. And if you recall, the note circle is A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So after the note F, we need a G, and that's going to be on the next space. Then we need an A, which is going to be on the next line. And then on the space above the staff, we have B. And again, we've run out of lines, so we need to use ledger lines. So the next note is on a line, and it's C. The next note is in the space above the ledger line, and that's D. And let's go 2 ledger lines above, and that's E. And let's stop at F here. But you could keep going. Next, we'll figure out the notes below F. So we'll go backwards in our note circle sequence. So before F, we need an E. Then the next line is a D. And we'll keep going down to C, B, A, G. Space below the staff is F. And now we need ledger lines again, so E is on the ledger line, first ledger line below the staff. Then D, which is in the space that's 1 ledger line below the staff, and C, and then B. And again, you could keep going. Now I want to remind you again to be careful when you're drawing ledger lines. For example, if you are drawing a note that's 2 ledger lines away from the staff, don't get your note trapped in between. This guy is trapped. If your note is 2 ledger lines below the staff, you need to draw the note away from the staff and the ledger lines. So this guy's free. Lastly, this note is middle C, the C that's in between the treble clef and the bass clef. Now, if you're looking for a quick way to remember your bass clef notes, here's a couple of mnemonics. The spaces on the bass clef are all cows eat grass. And the lines are good boys deserve fudge always. And from there you can figure out any notes that are higher or lower using the note circle sequence. So lastly, let's make sure we know how to draw a bass clef. So start with a larger dot in the 3rd space, and then start going around. Now I end the bass clef about here. And then draw a dot above the 4th line, and one below the 4th line, or other words, in the 3rd and 4th spaces. Let's try that again. Draw a larger dot in the 3rd space, go around, end about there in the 1st space, draw a dot in the 4th space and a dot in the 3rd space. That looks pretty good. So if you want to continue on and practice naming notes and doing exercises in the bass clef, we'll see you at the next video.